So, hi, today I'm going to discuss the next question in Leetcode of interview 150 study plan, that is rotatory. Mm, okay. What this questions ask is key, for example, there is a given array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and k is number of times we need to rotate it. By rotate, it means we need to shift the last element to the first, then again. So, firstly, the last element was 7, so it was shifted to front, and we need to do it two more times. So 6 got shifted to the front, then 7 moved to second place, then 5 got shifted to the first place. So 6, so another element like moved forward by a bit because the size is being kept the same. Similarly, for the second case, so the fastest approach here could be like we have a size of array and we have a number of rotations. So we don't need to rotate it more than the size of array because it would be lead to repetition. So what we can do is we could find the remainder by the size and rotate that number of times. But it would lead to very high time complexity because we are constantly rotating by one place. Like we will be keeping reference to this and this, and then we will replace and move forward. So, right, but it would uh, like be a costly solution. Another solution could be we could keep the result in another array, then copy it back to this array to make it work. But it would also lead to an extra space complexity that we don't want. The fastest and the most optimum solution that exists here is we could simply do that by noticing a pattern. So the pattern here is we what we can do is firstly we can rotate the whole array. Then it will become 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, starting from the beginning 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then what we can do is we could rotate it from start till start plus k element, that is 3 in this case. So I will be rotating this. For example, it was earlier 765, now it is 567. And similarly from k till the end, that is earlier it was 4 3 2 1, now it is 1 2 3 4. So that is a pattern that can be observed in all of the arrays. For example, in the second array, if we make it 99 3 minus 100 minus 1 at beginning, then rotate this one, it becomes 399 instead of 99 3, and this become minus 1 minus 100 after rotating from minus 100 to minus 1. So yeah, that is the solution. Let's code it up. So firstly, I'm going to do reverse nums dot begin nums dot end. Then I'm going reverse nums dot begin plus k. No, sorry, not plus k. Nums dot, that is from the start till plus k. And then for the final reverse, I will do reverse dot begin plus k till the nums dot end. So this is a predefined function in C++, but what we you can do is like define your own reverse function instead if your language doesn't have a reverse function. So let's see if it is working fine for all the test cases. Okay, there's a runtime error. Hmm. So I forgot to add the step if k is actually greater than the size of the num, and we need to keep the mod of it for it to be always be lesser than uh, size of the nums. So this should work fine now. It was like here k was lesser than 3, always the num size, so it was working fine. But if it is greater, it might scenario is so this is working fine. So the time complexity here is very like less. There, like I can't give. I don't know the actual STL implementation, so on the actual time complexity, but yeah, it is actually the least it could be possibly be. So yeah, thank you.